Today I'm not cooking any dishes, but I am sharing how to preserve galangal, or in Thai we call kha. We use it a lot in Thai cuisine, whether it is old, middle, or young. I have harvested the galangal from my garden, and it is a lot, more than a kilogram here. If I just leave it in the fridge, it will surely turn dark in color and will eventually spoil before I can use it all. So today we will learn together how to keep it and make it last for a long time. See, here is the young galangal. However, some part is slightly older. These are the young parts, the middle parts, which is attached to the young part, and the old parts. So I will cut and separate them first. The first bowl is the young galangal. The second bowl is for the medium young galangal. And the third bowl is for all the old galangal. Let's cut the young galangal first. See, they are mostly red and quite pale. The young parts are very good for Thai soup, like tom yum or tom som fish. So I will cut them into thin slices. They are aromatic with citrusy fragrance, and the bite is not very strong. The texture is tender and easy to cut. They can be eaten as they are very tender. I have quite a lot of young galangal slices here. Put them back into the bowl, as galangal slices can oxidize very fast. I am using the cling wrap to cover it while cutting the others. Next, I am cutting the old galangals into thin slices too. As this type of galangal is hard and difficult to cut, I recommend using a large sharp knife and being more careful as the galangal's base is not flat, so it is not sturdy on the chopping board. If it is hard to cut, use the other hand to press it down, like this. Old galangal is good for sambal, or in curry paste, like green curry paste, red curry paste, or rendang paste. They have the darkest color, the strongest aroma out of the trees, and they are very firm and tough. We usually do not eat them if present in slices or pieces in the dishes. Alright, we are done. Put it back into the bowl and wrap it with cling wrap. Leave aside. Next, for the medium young galangal, which are not young or old, I am cutting them into small cubes. They are perfect for the Thai minced pork salad or lap moo. These middle galangal are slightly red and grayish, and the texture is hard to cut. They are quite firm and have a strong fragrance than the young parts. Usually, they can be eaten as well. Alternatively, they can be added to food processor and minced. I recommend doing it batch by batch, as this galangal is quite firm and may damage the machine in large quantity. If using a normal blender, add in a little bit of water for easy blending. Alright, in just less than a minute, the galangal is minced. Next, portion the minced galangal into separate plastic bag for one-time use. With this many galangal, we will get around 6 to 7 packets. Repeat with the young galangal. And the old galangal. Alright, I have different type of Galangal packets here with labels and date for easy management. I added them into a large Ziploc bag and then kept them in the freezer. This can last for a year or two. Just take out one small pack whenever it is needed. Before cooking, take it out and thaw it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then it is ready to use. That is all that I want to share. It is simple to do and easy for future use. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!